Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel to all my amazing subscribers, and if you are new here, big welcome to you as well. My name is Jessica of the blog Miss More Style, and here on YouTube I make videos about affordable fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. And today I am doing my January 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unbagging. So if you'd like to see what Ipsy sent me for both of these little subscriptions, then just keep on watching.
Is this what you want now? Or is it because you...
Before I begin, big thank you to Ipsy. I am part of the Ipsy Open Studios program, which means Ipsy does gift me this subscription, of course with no expectation of a video or a glowing review. I always give my full unabridged thoughts on products that are sent to me. If you're a subscriber, then you know this. I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button if you're interested in fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. I upload 2 to 3 times a week. And also you can find me on my Instagram, where I am daily sharing more fun things on my stories, as well as some really pretty photos of fun outfits on my feed. So yeah, check out the description box if you want to check out all my social media handles. Let's just do this. We're gonna dive right in. I have a couple items that came in my box, like the actual box that it was shipped in, that are not inside of the actual Ipsy box, which while we're here, let's do a thumbnail. Okay, that's enough facial expressions. A lot of times in the Ipsy Open Studios, they send us a couple extra little goodies. So I'm just gonna open these really quick. Looks like the first one is like this notebook. Back says, Ipsy, discover yourself. Comes with a little nice little clicky pen. The front says, dream it. Oh, but how fun. So it's not like, I thought it was just gonna be an empty notebook, but it's actually like a full-on planner, which is super cute. I ended up not buying a planner this year because I've been using Notion, which is like an application that I find helps me stay a bit more organized, but I might use this for some purpose. We will see, but super freaking cute. And the other thing is in this box. Oh, how stunning is this? It's a water bottle and it's like ceramic, I want to say. And if I hold it back here, I wonder if you can see it a little better, but it has this beautiful like blue sort of like water droplets type of pattern on it, and it has a little bamboo top. The inside, it's not a very big water bottle, but it's really cute and it's BPA free. So I guess I'm gonna have to add this to my massive collection of water bottles. My husband is not gonna be thrilled about that. Just pop this box open and see what we got. I did not look at any of the spoilers. I have not watched any videos, so I have no idea. Okay, voila, in the box. I'm gonna try my best to do the Ipsy Glam Bag first and then the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus second. Sometimes it's hard to tell though because they throw things in here. But anyway, here is the Ipsy Glam Bag regular. It's kind of iridescent. It says dream. I'm guessing that's the theme here since it's a new year and we're dreaming of new goals. Actually, the Ipsy Glam Bag is... Oh, I always forget this every time I make a video, but I want to say it's like around the ballpark of like $11 to $15 a month. I want to say it's $15 a month, and you get 5 sample size products, and then sometimes they'll send you a makeup brush, which I love it when they do that. So yeah, there's the Ipsy Glam Bag. I feel like this would actually be a great thing to hold on to because it's kind of see-through, so maybe you could use it for like TSA, like little beauty travel size things so that they can see what's in there. Things first, we have from Cover Effects their Shimmer Veil. What exactly is this? Oh, that's really, really pretty. Like that is really, really pretty and iridescent. I'm not 100 on what this is for. That is the reason why I wish they would give you more information on a thing, but they don't because I guess they're trying to save paper, but... This retails for $28, and I think this is a full size. It's 4 milliliters. Yeah, this is a full size, so that's pretty cool to get a full size product in the Ipsy Glam Bag. Apparently you can use this as eyeshadow. You can also use it on your lips or like on your cheeks. So if you wanted to add like some really high impact highlight to your cheekbones, you could definitely do that. And this really pink, like pretty pearlescent color is so stunning. I might have to pop this on my eyes, but I may do that later depending on what other things are in here for me to play with. So stay tuned. I might play with this towards the end. Next up, oh my god, I'm so excited. So they sent a little sample size of the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick, and I love this stuff so much. This is one of my favorite, all-time favorite liquid lipsticks out there. I love the Beso color, which is their like red. I know that AOC also really loves it, which some of you guys might get mad because you don't like her, but Just gonna keep my opinion to myself. But anyway, I'm not the only person who loves the Beso from them. I also wore a different color that's now discontinued for my wedding from this brand because it's that dependable. Like I knew it would stay, and it really does stay all day. So this is more of a neutral color. This is in patina, which I'm excited to try because I feel like I don't have enough like neutral colored lipsticks. Let's swatch this really quick. That is really, really pretty, and I think that's going to be a great like neutral dusty pink for me. Next up, we have I don't even know how to pronounce this brand because it's just spelled really strangely, but it says Salmon Cream, which off the top of my head, that doesn't sound super appealing, but let's investigate and see what this is about. I'm just gonna go ahead and read the back because I have no idea what this is, but basically it's a luxuriously rich cream that combines peptides and salmon caviar to effectively smooth, firm, and plump the skin. So this is a facial moisturizer, apparently. I hope it doesn't smell like salmon. Like, I love eating salmon, but let's just put a little bit on the back of the hand here. Oh, it smells nice. It doesn't smell like salmon. A really lightweight moisturizer. Like, it doesn't feel heavy at all. It really blends in really nicely, and it doesn't leave like a whole lot of like shiny oiliness behind like I know like some moisturizers can do. So that might be a really interesting thing to try. I may try this in my like daytime routine to see if I like it as a daytime moisturizer because of how lightweight it is. Next up, we have Kombucha plus 11% AHA exfoliation power toner. So this is from the brand Youth to the People, and this also seems to be like a little travel size guy. But this is really interesting. It has lactic, glycolic acid, and black tea and tree bark in it. Ooh, smells potent. Apparently it is for all skin types. It's a great little thing to add to my travel bag because I don't really have very many travel toners. So this will be amazing, and we are probably going to go out of town very soon, so I will pack that and try it out while we're on our trip. Now, those 4 things were in my Ipsy Glam bag, and I'm not really sure like with the rest of what's in here, like what is in the plus. Let me see. Let's say I think this is the last thing that's supposed to be in the regular Glam bag, and this is a gentle enzyme face cleanser from the brand Kinship Naked Papaya. It was just a little travel size guy of that. You might have seen from other unboxings of subscription boxes, like little travel size of skincare stuff doesn't really get me going, but you know, it's fine. To what I believe is going to be in the Glam bag. So the first thing I'm pulling out is IGK Mistress. It's a hydrating balm, I believe, for your hair, because this is a hair brand. So it is vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, gives UV protection, oil-free, paraben and sulfate-free. So it's a very clean product is what I'm gathering here. It's a leave-in conditioning balm with coconut oil that won't weigh your hair down, which is key because sometimes these things definitely add like a buildup and like a gunky feeling to your hair that is not cute. So excited to try this because it's for people with dry, coarse, or frizzy hair. My hair is definitely coarse and it definitely gets really dry. So I will definitely be trying this out because sometimes I feel like my hair just needs a little bit of extra love, and I love leave-in treatments like this to sort of help keep it looking beautiful, even though I have mad split ends because I have not had my hair cut in like 6 months. No joke. Never showed you all what the Glam Bag Plus looks like. It's just this light blue bag, which of course my camera does not want to focus on because of the lighting, but it also says Dream all across it. Also grabbed a brush out of there. I'm really not 100% on if this was supposed to be in the Ipsy Glam Bag or the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It is from LaRouche. I'm not really sure if I'm saying this brand right or wrong. I'm not a beauty guru, so yeah. A very, very small kabuki brush, I guess, and I'm really not sure, like, what would I use this for? Oh, I wish they gave me more information. It retails for $30, so that's a nice brush. It's a new take on our larger kabuki brush. This plush kabuki offers complete application for an airbrush look. Best used for blending out concealer below the eyes and around the nose. I'm really interested to try this because I usually use a beauty blender to blend those types of areas out, but I do love me a kabuki brush. I really feel like they do really blend things in so seamlessly. So I'm excited to add this to my many brushes. Next thing I'm pulling out is Florence by Mills Mind Glowing Peel Off Mask. I can always get behind a mask. I feel like masks are great, and the packaging on this is really cute. I love this lavender purple. How cute is that? A Mind Glowing Peel Off Mask. So I'm gonna open it because, oh crap, okay. So let's see if the camera will focus on this. But do you see how like iridescent it is? Ooh. That's gonna be fun. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because I'll probably try this out on my stories and let you all know how I feel about it there. Miss More Style, like I am everywhere else. I'm excited to try this. Next, we have Pearlies, which is a brand that I know and love. This is a K-beauty brand. This is their Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer, which hydrates, balances, prevents fine lines, and preps your skin for makeup. And I think I've tried this before, if I remember right. Pretty sure I have tried this in some form or another. I really love Pearlies. They make amazing products. Their CC cream is probably one of my favorite CC creams out there. It Cosmetics is my all-time favorite, and theirs is my second fave. But any product that I've used from them, it's just been amazing. We've made it to the last item, and it is an Anastasia Beverly Hills product. This is Lash Brag, their volumizing mascara, which is awesome because I'm running low on my mascara, but holy wow. I mean, if you guys are like into packaging like I am, look at that packaging. It is gorgeous. It has like a heavy weight to it. Like I've never had a mascara that felt this heavy, so it just feels luxe. Open this up and see what the little applicator is like. Yes, this is the kind of applicator that I really like. I feel like those perform really well for my eyelashes. That is my January 2021 Ipsy unbagging. Is this my favorite Ipsy I've ever gotten? No. I feel like there's a lot of skincare stuff in here, which is like fine, but again, like I've said in other subscription box unboxings, I already have so much skincare, so I tend to get like a little bit overwhelmed when I get more of it. So sometimes I wish like a subscription box would like just do makeup, because that's really what I'm interested in playing around with, not necessarily so much skincare. But I'm really excited for this mascara, super excited for the Cover FX Shimmer Veil, also to try out this new color of my favorite liquid lipstick, and for this mask. So these are the products that I'm super excited to try. The rest of them, I'm definitely gonna try them out and see how they go. Before you go, check out this other subscription box unboxing that I did recently. I'm sure you will enjoy it. And then this video up here is really fun as well. You might be really into it. If you didn't do so already, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.